Don't try and trivialize it. Don't try and trivialize it.
Do you want to say that the police
Sambit, please, don't try and trivialize it. Please, I don't want this whole thing. I blame the Congress government also earlier for all this. But we are looking at this operation. It was a disaster.
Yes,
that operation was a disaster.
Yes, it was.
Because it didn't move quick enough and it led to the death of 6 innocent people.
Arnab, can I have 1 second?
After he finishes,
please try.
I will come to this.
So please try not to be so cocky. Please,
So,
you have no reason to feel cocky.
Can I just
it is
have
a very
one second?
sad,
No,
tragic
only when I let you.
event.
Only when I
You
let
have all the cock and bull stories and I'm not supposed to answer to him.
Please.
Saying something.
No. He is telling me everything. I'm not
Gentlemen, 1 second. Now, please, everyone will not speak together.
can
I'm requesting you.
Put it in
I'm placing a few facts tonight. And you can't just say these are cock and bull stories. The fact of the matter is, I'm making the accusation tonight, and I'm making the accusation to you. Allow me to complete now.
Everyone is competing, only I am not being allowed.
The fact is, you run the government there, so you are excuse after excuse. Fact point number 1. First excuse, Baba is unwell. He's too unwell. He can't be produced in the court. This was a excuse of the government. Division benches of Justice Jayapal and Sneh Prashar expressed unhappiness over the state government forming a medical board which certified the man is too unwell. Who formed the medical board? Who said he's too unwell? Why should I believe you? You were lying. He's not unwell. He's leading a hostage drama.
Yes.
Why was your state government lying? झूठ क्यों बोल रहे थे आप?
No, can I?
झूठ क्यों बोल रहे थे कि बाबा की तबीयत खराब है?
Can I?
No, you answer the question.
No. I have to answer the question.
Answer the question.
Just
Was
a
the Baba
second.
unwell? My question.
Arnab, you are
I'm
partial.
asking you, was the Baba unwell?
Allow me to answer.
Was the Baba
allow
unwell?
me to
Was
answer.
this so-called
Allow me to
Was he
answer.
unwell?
Just as you allowed others to answer. Just as you allowed uninterrupted time to others, you should allow me also uninterrupted time.
My question is simple.
I should not be struggling for my time.
My question tonight is, and some people
I
don't
should
speak
not
over
be
me, you can
saying
speak when I
struggling
finish.
to answer
I am
a
asking you
question.
today,
I
an
should be given
18-month-old child
uninterrupted
has
time.
died and the BJP government said, बाबा को हम अरेस्ट नहीं कर सकते, बाबा की तबीयत खराब है. आप झूठ बोल रहे थे, आप मानिए आप झूठ बोल रहे थे.
No, Arnab, first I asked,
were you lying?
Should I not be given uninterrupted
Were
time
you lying?
just as others have been given, just as you are allowing others to speak, should I not be
were you
allowed?
lying?
Now my answer.
Were you lying?
Just a second. Just
did you
a
lie?
second. You cannot have this kind of biased debate. You should allow me to speak.
Did you lie?
No.
Did you lie about his being
No,
unwell?
we did not
Did you
lie.
lie
We
about
were
his
the
being
most
unwell?
truthful government. Why? You yourself in the opening
are you
statement. Just a
talking?
second.
What?
Why
Did
do
you
you all
not say he's
interrupt?
not well?
No, why do you all interrupt? I do not interrupt anyone.
Say, did you lie or not?
Did you lie or not?
Yes.
I am
say
not
that.
here for a
Yes.
CSAT examination. I am here for some sentences.
For God's
Can I be
sake.
allowed for sentences? No.
Did
Please.
you-
This is
Who
not
have you voted
the
for?
Arnab. Why this
Come on,
biasness?
let
Why this
him
biasness?
explain.
Why this biasness where the BJP is not allowed to keep 3 sentences?
The
Have you all
BJP
ganged
is
up?
being asked
Have
a
you all
question.
ganged up to gag the
BJP,
truth? Have you all ganged up to gag the
No,
truth?
but
If that
answer.
is it, I'll keep quiet and listen to all the
The question
falsehoods.
is this, I
If you are
repeat the
not
question
gagged
for
up,
about the
if you are
11th or
not
the
ganged
12th
up, allow
time
the
tonight,
truth to speak.
and it is apparent that the BJP spokesperson on the news hour tonight does not want to answer my question.
How
I
does
repeat
he
my
allow?
question.
How
Did
does
the
he
state
speak if
government,
he is not allowed to
did
speak?
the state government lie?
This is
Did
the
state government lie that the Baba was unwell? Why did you lie?
This is the state government which has arrested the Baba 42
Did you lie
times.
that he was unwell?
42 times the Congress was not taking action against the 42 times the Congress was not taking action against the Baba. 43rd time
That's
this
not the
BJP
answer.
government arrested the Baba.
That's
This
not the
is the
answer.
answer. This is the answer.
No,
the
this
Congress
is not the
Baba
answer.
has
We
been
are saying
arrested.
Congress
The Congress
invested
Baba
us.
has been arrested
now
today
you
in the
finish.
regime of
Your
BJP.
time is up, Sambit.
In a very mature way, in a
Somebody
very
did not
mature way, in a
answer.
sensitive way,
No.
where 14,000 people have been rescued and the Baba has been arrested as promised by the administration.
No, I've heard this answer. I've heard this answer. I'll make an observation. Now we'll hear from this side. I will only tell you this. The Director General of Police has made a comment. I'm going to that, and I believe that Sambit Patra has not been able to answer my question. Here's what the DGP
Why is he
said.
not
I'm
able?
coming back.
He is answering all the
DGP,
questions.
कहाँ लेके गए? कहाँ लेके गए? पूछो पूछो पूछो. Sir, where have you taken him? Sir, where have you taken him? Where have you taken him, sir?
He is in police custody.
Sir, I know, but where? Sir, but where have you taken him, sir? Sir, एक मिनट आप रुक जाइए. Sir, रुक जाइए ना एक मिनट. Sir, where have you taken him, sir? Sir, where have you taken him? Sir, just one reaction. अरे सर बोल रहे हैं रुक जाओ भाई. Sir, रुक जाओ. सुन लो. Sir, where have you taken him?
See, he is in police custody. He will remain in police custody till tomorrow. And tomorrow he will be produced in the relevant court.
So, sir, are you taking him to his sir?
And day after in the Honorable High Court. Thank you very much.
Is he safe, sir?
He is safe.
Okay.
He is safe with police.
All right, thank you. Raoji, Anilji.
Day after he's going to be produced in court. 1 second. My question was, Did the state government lie? Because if the state government has lied, I feel tonight that the BJP chief minister must resign.
Absolutely.
If the state government has lied, and as a result of this lie, that the Baba is unwell, and by the way, the High Court trashed it. The High Court
He
said
should
this.
resign
High
because he
Court
followed the instructions of the court. Should he should resign because he got to see to it that the Baba was arrested.
Will you
should he
let me
resign
complete?
only because it
Will you-
demolished something
will you-
that the
do you
Congress
not-
made for all these
Congress does not
years?
give
No,
the Baba
no.
that security.
How did the Baba
Congress
establish
arrested the
himself in
same
this
Baba,
10 years?
put him in prison without a single life.
Mr. Shergill, tell me your
This
former
arrest
chief
of Baba
minister
has
wife was the
costed
trustee of
6
the
lives.
Satlok
Rather than taking
Ashram.
credit,
Under the nose of the
they
Haryana
should
rule, the Baba was
explain and
flourishing.
express
Within
Now,
10 days,
please,
he have
one
demolished
second,
it.
gentlemen. My question is, the High Court said, Jaideep Shergill, please speak when I let you, otherwise we won't be able to take the debate forward. The High Court said, this whole action of constituting a medical board to examine the health of the Baba Rampal without seeking the permission of the court. Was the permission of the court sought? No. And what did the court say? Sambit, do not interrupt me. The court said this whole exercise is a quote-unquote tamasha. And it said it is aimed at quote-unquote outsmarting the court. You want to outsmart the court, you want to deceive the judiciary, you want to carry out a tamasha. As a result of your inaction and all this tamasha, 6 people die, including an 18-month-old girl, and today you say congratulate us for what happened.
Agree.
I mean, this is ridiculous. Atishi,
Advocate General also told a lie. You should bring that fact on record.
It's absolutely appalling. It's absolutely appalling that Sambit has the gall to use words like maturely and sensitively after 5 people have died, after the fact that the BJP did not act for so long, after the fact that the High Court even used the word collusion between the government and the godmen, after the fact that you allowed the satsang to happen, that let all these people come here to be a human shield. And I think the BJP needs to answer questions about their relationships with all the godmen, be it the godman who is charged with rape and murder of the Dera Sacha Sauda, be it the godman whom they've given Z+ security.
And you were colluding with the godman who wanted to behead the American president.
Pandit Ajay Gautam, no, Sambit, you cannot dominate the entire debate.
The Aam Aadmi Party president was colluding with someone who wanted to behead the American president. You were so happy with by being with him. How can How can you are going and seeking vote from a person who was trying to behead none other than Obama?
What, Sambit, please stop it.
No, why should I stop? When I speak the truth, I should stop.
Please.
Arvind Kejriwal shared the money with the person who is the charged with the riots. Arvind Kejriwal turned down the sacrifice of life of the Inspector Mohan Chand Sharma, who is awarded Strength and Bravery Award. So you are not clean. You are doing the same. You are doing the same with the other political parties doing for.
Why should we discuss a non-entity as Arvind Kejriwal?
What is the difference between you and other political party? You are playing the same. You are playing the religious sentiments of the innocent people. Then what is the difference between you and other political parties?
What is the difference between godmen and other citizens?
There is no difference. There is no difference between the godman. I not use any word for Rampal. He's a godman.
He's not a
He's a simple man.
Not a simple man. Simple man nahi hai.
He's a feed. The person. Just the ladyship. 1 minute only. The last 40 years, Congress feeds that kind of godmen just for the political Vedantas and political and personal gain. Just give me one example. Just give me one example. When you punish one godman of any religion, just give me one example when you punish one single godman of any religion.
Baba Rampal was put in jail by Congress government.
You feed this kind of problem. You feed this kind of problem.
Baba Rampal was put in jail by Congress government. Get your facts right when you come to debate. 18 months he was in jail. He was evicted without a single loss of life. Rather than taking credit,
How was he constructing?
Rather than taking credit,
you are feeding this kind of problem for last 40 days. Now you are taking the account of sick death. You are taking the account of sick death. I am taking the accounts of
Get your facts right,
I am taking the accounts of facts
right. High Court cancelled his bail. We evicted him. We put him in jail.
40 years has passed. Nobody has punished.
It was a fixed match between the BJP and the administration, the Advocate General made
You are the trustee and it's a fixed match between us.
Then
How can it
DGP,
happen?
Advocate General said there is no
Mr.
police.
Shergill, you are the
DGP
trustee
said
and it's a fixed match between
we
us
are
and
not
them. How
puppets
can
in
it
the
be
hands of
possible?
Babas like
You are the
BJP.
trustee. You mean to say the Hooda family was in fact with us?
Who gave Baba
The
Ramdev
Hooda family is a
helipad?
trustee.
Who gave them Z
Trustee, then ask
security?
them.
Who gave Z
Ask the
security?
question.
Ramdev is
All
not
these
a
four
criminal.
people in that
Then
case.
Then Ramdev is not a criminal.
You have given them Z security.
Where
You
does Ramdev
created
come from?
helipad.
You are
You
taking
created
Ramdev
another
with
Frankenstein.
other persons.
Pandit Ajay Gautam, zara ek minute. Just control yourself for a minute. Can you please tell me the name of the party that wooed Dera Sacha Sauda chief Gurmeet Singh? Which party?
And their MLA.
1 minute, no, Pandit, no, 1 minute. Because I'll tell you something. I am so sick and tired of politicians, who want to appear like they're above this. And I am really sorry. But you are saying that, who created the problem? You are from the Hindu Mahasabha, aren't you?
Yeah.
So you are the same Hindu Mahasabha that All India Hindu Mahasabha, right?
Yeah, it's the same.
You are the problem.
Why?
Problem to aap hai.
Why?
Why? Because you try and run a parallel court in this country, a parallel law and order machine.
Just
Who is
give me
Swami
example.
Chakrapani? Has he got something to do with the Hindu Mahasabha? Who is he? No, 1 minute. I'll answer my question. No, Pandit Ajay Gautam, please answer. Pandit Ajay Gautam, please answer my question. I'm asking you a direct question. I am saying to you,
this matter is sub judice.
sir, I am saying to you, you are the problem. Swami Chakrapani says that change the dresses that women wear, don't use mobile phones, and CAPS will make sure. And CAPS also say that Khattar also says they all say girls and boys should not come close to each other.
Swami Chakrapani is not a part of Hindu Mahasabha. The matter is sub judice before Honorable High Court, and this is the fifth for hearing on 24th of this month.
से belong करते हैं?
He's
I want to clear the point. I want to clear the point.
and I'm not belong to Hindu Mahasabha.
Just 1 minute, please. 1 minute. Which political party wooed Gurmeet Singh, and what are the charges against Gurmeet Ram Rahim Singh? What are the kind of charges against him? Can you tell our viewers? No, one more. Let him answer.
No.
Sambit,
was asking
why are you getting nervous? Sambit, are you getting nervous when I'm asking the question? Then please keep quiet for a
I'm
minute.
never nervous.
No, I'm answering
I always
the show.
stand the part of truth, so I'm never nervous.
So
Remember one
here's a
thing.
question. Just a minute. Question is to you. What are the charges against Gurmeet Ram Rahim Singh?
The charges of 376 IPC, the charges of 302 IPC, and CBI already conduct the inquiry against him.
Is there a charge of sexual exploitation?
Yeah, 376 I said.
So say it,
Yeah.
no? Is there a charge of murder?
Yeah,
So a man is accused of rape and murder,
yeah.
right?
Yeah.
And political parties, what do they go and do they show praise and respect for him?
No, not at all.
No, they don't. Oh, watch it.
Not at all.
Not at all.
Not at all.
In charge, on record, he led a delegation of 40 people to take
Sonia ji
blessing of
also
Dera.
went
not at all.
there. Sonia ji went to everyone. Didn't Sonia ji go there? Didn't Sonia ji go there?
Such a short memory. I have never seen such a short memory in my life, because as far as I know, and please speak the truth on this program,
Yeah.
12 अक्टूबर को बीजेपी के जितने दिग्गज नेता जाके उन्होंने कहा मैं उनको प्रणाम करता हूं.
I am not defending BJP at here.
You do pranam to the people
I am
accused
not.
of rape and
I am
murder.
not a part of
the
BJP.
BJP did.
I am not a part of the BJP.
do that?
I am not. I am not.
Did the BJP do that? Did the BJP do that?
Before
Did the BJP do that?
Before BJP.
Did the BJP
Before
I'm
BJP.
talking
The all
about the
Congress
BJP.
government. The all Congress government banned their knees before that.
It's a shameful
Okay,
thing.
question.
I am not defending the BJP at here.
नहीं,
Not at
बड़ी
all.
शर्म की बात है कि आप एक दूसरे को
BJP
डिफेंड कर रहे हैं, दूसरे पे स्टार
Just a minute, Jaideep, please, one at a time. Ranjana.
शर्म की बात उन लोगों को आनी चाहिए जिन्होंने 40 साल से जो है इस देश के अंदर हिंदुओं को माइनॉरिटी बनाया है. शर्म की बात उनको आनी चाहिए.
I have another
क्यों शर्म की बात आएगी?
Ajay.
I have another question.
You have all the questions, but how do I answer if I'm not allowed?
I have another question. Now that this drama, this present drama has ended with this arrest, may I ask this amazingly great government that you run in Haryana, which you say should get so much credit, is it at all doing anything for the only person it beat up, the journalist there? The only people it was very swift and rough.
I haven't finished with these politicians tonight. I'll tell you what. I'll tell you what. 1 minute, Sambit Patra. I haven't finished with you, and I haven't finished with
blaming
Jaideep.
each
I want to
other.
answer that
Doing
question.
the
It's a very
same
pertinent
No.
question.
I'll tell you one thing. What kind of government do you want, ladies and gentlemen? You want a government where Godmen are more important than you? You want a government when people who are accused of rape and murder, the biggest politicians in this country, bow down before them? What kind of government, what kind of politics do you want, ladies and gentlemen? Do you want a government, do you want political parties where a 16-year-old girl is sexually assaulted by a man called Asaram Bapu, and every top BJP leader goes, Uma Bharti, Prabha Ajja, Shivraj Singh Chauhan, goes and defends him? And by the way,
we are not defending him.
And by the way, just a minute, Asaram Bapu was also defended by the Congress party.
Both.
I am saying that
BJP never defended it. You think about the Congress. BJP never defend any such godman. We never defend
the
fraudmen.
Congress and the BJP are together.
They did not arrest him in Madhya Pradesh. They did not arrest him in Rajasthan.
Everybody can't be happy.
The problem is the Congress. The problem is the Congress creates the Bhinderwales, and the whole country keeps on facing them for years.
And you create Praveen
We
Patodia.
do not create any development. See,
Asaram Bapu was not arrested by
Ranjana ji, you would agree to the fact that Congress is the creator of Bhinderwalas of this country, and they run amok. They run amok government throughout the country, and the whole country faces it. They are the ones who are
Why you are not taking a certain example for minorities?
Don't feel so hurt if your fellow godman has been
Why you
arrested.
not complying?
Don't feel hurt if your fellow godman has been arrested.
Just give the reply first.
Godmen like you are not above the law. Don't feel
why
hurt if
you
he
are
has
not
been arrested.
complying the sixth
Rather than
available warrant
feeling
against the
sad,
Imam
you
of
are
the Masjid,
ridiculing the
just
death
give
by
the
making it a
answer.
Hindu-Muslim issue.
Then you asked me.
This is your psyche.
This is not
Rather than
Jackie.
feeling
You are
sad,
playing the sentiments of the
making it a Hindu-Muslim
people.
issue.
You are feeding this kind of problem for last 40 years, and you just want to Hindu
We
make
will not
a minority in
tolerate
this country.
Mahasabhas or Khap Panchayat to
Talking
dictate
about
our
the
daily
Gunda.
life.
One second.
Don't reduce the death of these
One minute.
people.
You know, Pandit Ajay Gautam ji, जरा एक मिनट.
about.
अपने आप को संभाल के अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट यू एक गुंडे के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं
Exactly.
और आप उसको हिंदू मुस्लिम कर रहे हैं
Yes, sir.
इशू हिंदू मुस्लिम इशू है ही नहीं इनके कारण एक छोटी बच्ची मर गई 5 लोग और मर गए और आप इसको हिंदू मुस्लिम इशू कर रहे हैं I'll make one more. पंडित जी एक मिनट पंडित जी आपका मैं आदर करता हूँ 2 मिनट मेरी बात सुनिए. The other thing is all political parties, ladies and gentlemen, are the same. All of them. Absolutely.
Agree.
Not one political party, including the very otherwise politically correct Aam Aadmi Party, has the guts to speak against Khaps. Let's ask Atishi. Did Yogendra Yadav, when he was trying to campaign in Haryana, which failed, 1 second, did he say one thing on Khaps?
Absolutely.
One position. No, he did not.
Yes, he
Show me the
supported Khap, if you
He
remember.
supported the Khaps. He sought their support.
All
He supported the Khap and he said, "Aag lag jayegi."
of the Khap Panchayat are illegal. We said it repeatedly. The media misreported it.
No.
Both
Please
Arvind
don't.
Kejriwal
In Mewat.
and
Let me
Yogendra
remind you what
Yadav
happened in Mewat
both
in
said
Haryana.
exactly
Just
the
1
same
minute.
No,
thing,
she should be
that
reminded. She
all
was reminding me
anti-women
something. Should I remind her
all
something?
anti-women
Just one.
stands taken by the Khap Panchayats are illegal, and the Aam Aadmi Party
Anti-women
stands against them.
One second.
only women and children
Did show me one statement of Yogendra Yadav or
Absolutely.
Arvind Kejriwal, one where he says,
Absolutely.
where they say the Khaps themselves, are not some sociological. The Khaps themselves are unconstitutional. They have no legal validity, and action will be taken against them. Why say, these people do some positive things also. They play a social role. Let us look at it in sociological or anthropological ways. That's complete 100% rubbish.
And
But
you
no
forgot the
political
statement,
party,
"Aag
including
lag
the Aam
jayegi."
Aadmi Party, had the guts to speak about it. The BJP, the Congress,
Arnab,
and the Aam Aadmi
we
Party are
very
together
clearly
in terms of
said
supporting these Khaps or
that-
parallel courts in Haryana.
We very
So you can't
clearly
say
said
no,
that
Atishi, you
all
did not.
illegal
Atishi,
you
also
did not.
needs to be reminded that in Mewat, just a second. No, she has completed. She has completed. Atashi, in Mewat, Yogendra Yadav
want
said,
votes.
instigated the people that aap Modi ko vote denge, to aag lag jayegi. That was the kind of instigation he made towards the Khap. And you were giving me moral lessons right now. I believe if someone really
of all-
needs to take moral lessons, that is the Aam Aadmi Party and the Congress.
Samvit,
Don't protect each other.
First of all, let us be very clear that statement was not about the Khap Panchayats. Second, I think we need to be
Aag
very
lag jayegi
clear.
is good.
Second, we
Whoever
need to
the
be
statement was
Second,
about.
we need to be absolutely clear that yes, there is a very serious concern about the kind of communal politics which we are witnessing in this very show. The fact that when a godman who is a
Atashi, didn't your party go to a godman? Atashi, answer my simple pointed question. Atashi, I have been answering all your questions.
Samvit, let her complete.
She always completes. I never am allowed to complete.
When a government who is a goon, when one is acting against them, even in this very show it is made a Hindu-Muslim issue. In this
No
very
one is
show
making
an
it a
attack is made on
Hindu-Muslim
the
issue.
Muslims.
It's a godman versus
Therefore,
fraudman.
the concern,
And no one supports the fraudman. Remember, my
please
simple,
do
just a
note
second, my
that in
simple,
this very show,
Atasi, you have
someone who is
completed, I
defending the
believe, in all these
BJP
years.
is making
Just
it
a
a
second.
Hindu-Muslim
Atasi, my
issue.
simple question to you is, in yes or no, please, if you can allow me to, if you can answer me. Did not the Aam Aadmi Party go to a person and seek his support who had talked of beheading the American president? Didn't the Aam Aadmi Party in Delhi election go and seek support?
Absolve you of mishandling?
Does not absolve.
Take a question. Take a question. She has a question. Take a question.
How does that absolve you of the
We have
kind of
arrested.
mishandling?
We have arrested.
Where
What mishandling?
No, but after
We have
five-
arresting.
No,
We have arrested the
after
person.
Even 200
six
people.
lives.
We have acted. We
What
have
are you
acted in the
talking
most
lives?
sensitive manner.
200 people.
Didn't we
You
promise?
could have prevented.
Didn't we promise that we will produce
cannot.
It's a
we will
sad
produce the
day.
god,
It's a bad
so-called
day.
god man, the fraud man in front of the
Rather
court?
than
We are
showing
doing
regret,
it.
they're
We are
taking
doing
credit.
it.
Jaideep,
It's a sad day.
Jaideep, please. I have a request tonight. And since we are all on national television, I'm sure a lot of people are watching us and everybody's trying to be very, outsmart each other in the debate. I want to know whether the BJP spokesman, the Aam Aadmi Party spokesman, the Congress spokesman, 3 political parties we have. I want to comment that if any single of their leaders, after what has happened today, is seen to be seeking any support from any godman or outsourcing. I mean, if you can't do politics yourself, don't get into politics. You want to be a political party that wants to sort of use some godman who says that I will hold a satsang or I'll hold a court and I'll campaign on your behalf. If you're not confident as politicians, you should not be doing politics in this country. If you want to use godmen to outsource your political function, then you have no business being in politics. So I'm asking tonight whether the BJP spokesman will take it turn by turn. First, and please note, if you think they deflect, it's your opinion. My question to the BJP spokesperson is this. Will you say, sir, that after what has happened, that if ever a BJP leader is seen eliciting any support at any level, and don't call it moral support, psychological, a politician with a godman is political support, that person will not be allowed to be in the BJP. You will, after today, cut off all links with these godmen. One second. All links with godmen. This is a civil society. All links with godmen should, I believe, after the death of this 18-month-old child, an 18-month-old child dies because politicians and godmen are part of a dangerous syndicate in this country. You tell me tonight on the program that no BJP leader will ever, seek any form of support or gratification or involvement of any godman of any hue. वो आसाराम हो, वो रामदेव हो, वो कोई हो, किसी का support हम नहीं मांगेंगे. बताइए.
In our dictionary, we have good men. We do not have anything called as godman.
Dodge. That's called dodge.
We will seek
Open
support
dodge.
from the people who are performing, people who are good. We will not go into godman definitely. But the question should be asked in the
बीजेपी सपोर्ट कर रही थी, क्या ये गवर्नमेंट था?
In the Congress.
आप मुझे बताइए।
let Deepa speak.
आप मुझे एक बात का सिर्फ इतनी सी बात का जवाब दीजिए, जिसको आप गुडमैन कह रहे हैं, क्या ये गुडमैन था?
इसको गुडमैन कहाँ कह रहे हैं?
तो आप ही ने तो कहा कि गॉडमैन
आप पूरा समझ तो लीजिए. आप समझती नहीं है और फिर बोल रही हैं.
हाँ, बताइए.
हमने कहा, अंग्रेजी में कहा हमने कि हम गुडमैन से सपोर्ट करेंगे किसी भी तथाकथित गॉडमैन.
तो ये आप सपोर्ट तो इसको भी कर रहे थे.
कौन बोल रहा है? कौन बोल रहा है? आप कांग्रेस से सवाल कर रहे हैं.
आपने 20 दिन लगा दिए.
पूछिए ये बात.
आपने 20 दिन लगा दिए. 6 लोगों को आपने मरवा दिया. आपने 20 दिन लगा दिए. जो काम आज इतना स्मूथली हो गया, वो पहले क्यों नहीं हुआ? जो काम आज इतना स्मूथली हो गया, आप इसको सेंसिटिविटी बोल रहे हैं कि सेंसिटिव मामला है. ये काम पहले क्यों नहीं हुआ?
पहले आपकी सरकार थी इसलिए नहीं हुआ.
आपकी सरकार क्या? मेरी कोई सरकार नहीं है.
तो आप तो कांग्रेस सपोर्ट कर रही हैं.
मैंने कोई सपोर्ट, मैंने दोनों को रिस्पांसिबल बताया. मैंने कांग्रेस को भी रिस्पांसिबल कहा, मैंने बीजेपी को भी रिस्पांसिबल कहा.
A question goes.
मैंने दोनों पार्टीज को रिस्पांसिबल.
1 minute. This is the kind of hypocritical argument, hypocritical defense that makes me completely shocked. Once Goodman or Godman, Sambit Patra, hear me out. My next question to Sambit Patra, which should actually
Sonia ji rushed to Shahi Imam.
Sambit Patra,
should she not be
when
questioned?
Sonia Gandhi went to Shahi Imam, we questioned him more than you.
But no one is questioning that. No one is. No one. Look, I have the whole panel in front of me. No one is questioning that. Ajay Bose, tell me. Ajay Bose.
Congress is equally wrong.
Ranjana, second question to Sambit Patra, was Asaram Bapu a good man or a god man when your leader?
He was a fraud man. That's why he's
why
behind
was
the bar.
Umma Bharti supporting a fraud man?
That debate is over.
Oh, it's over. Was Uma Bharti
No one
supporting a fraud
was.
man?
No one
Why
was.
did Uma Bharti support a fraud man?
No one was supporting people like them.
Uma
were
Bharti
supporting.
supported the
People
fraud
like
man.
them were supporting.
Uma Bharti
Ashram Bapu.
supported. One
We
second.
were- I remember was supporting.
Uma Bharti
Ashram Bapu.
supported.
We were not
Uma Bharti
supporting.
क्या
supported.
बात कर रहे हो?
आप
क्या
लोगों ने
बात कर
support
रहे हो?
किया है। हमने नहीं support किया है।
से क्लिपिंग फुटेज निकालिए।
हमने सपोर्ट कभी नहीं किया है। They were supporting Ashram
निकलवाइए।
Bapu.
मैं सबसे पहले
They were ones who were. I remember they were supporting
क्या
Ashram
बात कर रहे हैं आप?
Okay, one second. I think Sambit Patra needs to refresh his memory. Should we help him
Tell me,
refresh?
Yes.
tell me a
Exactly.
single
Bharti ka
instance where.
statement
Okay, and we,
Never
since we
ever.
will give the instance, we request Sambit Patra to apologize on television tonight.
Yeah, please.
Yeah, and Sambit Patra,
Why should I apologize for arresting Rampal? For arresting Rampal,
lie on
should I
television.
apologize? Should I be congratulating the Haryana government? Tell
you-
me.
Should be
if you-
expressing regret.
No, not at all.
This has
Sambit
costed
Patra-
Mr. Shergill, Mr.
Jaideep,
Shergill,
Jaideep,
you
Jaideep.
allowed the monster to grow in Haryana for 10 years, and I do not see, I do not see,
Jaideep, 1 minute.
Sorry.
Jaideep, this conversation between Sambit and me, and I am saying to Sambit tonight, Sambit, you see, if you could have made a mistake, one, or, and I hope that you've not lied. But my question is, you say we have never supported Asaram Bapu. Ladies and gentlemen, Asaram Bapu was accused on 15th August, Independence Day 2013, of sexually assaulting a 16-year-old girl. Uma Bharti said, quote, okay. There is
But then she herself came and denied that.
Arey, yeah, please listen to
No,
me.
we all
No,
deny-
she did not.
Even if she said, I denied right now on the television, we do not stand in favor of any so-called godmen who are actually fraudmen.
No,
Take my
once
words.
Uma Bharti
No,
said.
why do we have to
Uma
revisit
Bharti
something?
said this is.
Why do we have to revisit something on now?
Because it
When we
embarrasses
have-
you, we should
when
revisit
we
it.
had never
क्योंकि
supported
आपको
someone
शर्म
who is-
आती है, आपने जो
No,
किया।
कोई शर्म नहीं आती है, फक्र है हमें, हमने कभी किसी गलत आदमी को सपोर्ट नहीं किया
Modi
है।
said don't support.
Okay, so Jaideep Shergill, 1 second, please. You know, this wishy-washy attitude. Will you tell me today that you will not only throw out all the people who in the future will seek any kind of support from government? No, 1 second. But that you will investigate all those politicians who have used the support of Godmen in the past. Since you are taking such a position tonight, you should not have a second's hesitation in saying that we will completely cut off in every way from these Godmen. We will never after this go ahead by doing this, because I'd remind you that you have leaders like Captain Amrinder Singh who have sought the support of the Dera Sacha Sauda very recently. Forgot that?